Hello, my dear subscribers. Today I want to show you how you can easily copy any game in Roblox with just a few clicks. First things first, go to the page with game want to Uncopylock. Copy the name of this game, then click right mouse button, Inspect and Network here. Reload the page and scroll to the toppest files, then copy file as PowerShell with your game. Now, go to the website, which I left in the description, and paste copied game here. Now you have Roblox Studio file with famous games. Enjoy it.